Sabine, oh, wohin gehst du? Wohin gehst du? Sabine, oh, was tust du nur? Was tust du nur? Die Worte, die du heute
Sabine.
singst.
Frau Hassenfelder. Also, echt jetzt. Sometimes I start to wonder, did you accidentally publish a video that was meant for April 1st? Or perhaps somebody makes you say these things? Because there is only one thing we can be certain of. Your claims made in your latest video about black holes are wrong, and that is a scientific fact. No, Sabine. Let me stop you right there. Science doesn't make absolute truth statements, sure, and since my statement is absolute and relies on science, it makes me wrong. Really, Sabine? Really? No, it would be a reasoning error to think so. Do you know why that is, Frau Hassenfelder? Let me help you. I made specific statements in a specific context. The interpretation can be falsified, but you will find doing so impossible, because it will require new science we don't have today to change what we know today. The reverse would argue in absolutes, and is therefore not a scientific response to my critique, which is based on science. That is why you can be absolutely wrong, and I can claim science, even when science doesn't claim absolute truths. Think about it. I am sure you will get there. And in the meantime, I can fill everyone in about the false claims in your video. Some random paper Sabine talks about introduces the Einstein-Cartan theory, ECT, as the gravitational framework, but the paper offers no compelling reason why ECT should be preferred, only that it permits the bounce and avoids singularities. But this is a desired outcome. The theory is designed so that the assumptions confirm the theory, but only partly, which the researcher failed to notice. There is no reason to believe these assumptions are valid, or more valid than others. When Sabine says, this is close to standard cosmology, but it uses a different theory of gravity, Einstein-Cartan, and introduces new physics, spin-torsion interaction, then this is, scientifically speaking, wrong. And when you say, in reference to the exclusion principle, that you think it is plausible but don't buy it, then you are not approaching the subject as a scientist. Agreed? One more thing. The black hole model posits a region where known physics breaks down, yet it asserts that this region is real, causal, and describable. This is logically equivalent to claiming that infinity is finite, a contradiction masked by model syntax. The point at which a model breaks down is not a location in space, it is a boundary in logic. So, please, the Einstein action figure on your table wasn't too pleased by your show of unscientific theater.